Hey everyone, I'm Katie from Addicted to DIY, and today I'm partnering with Inventables to show you how to make wooden plant stands using the X-Carve. So let's get started. Using the free easel software from Inventables, I created a generic template for the plant stands, which you can then adjust the size of to make them taller and wider, based on the size of the potted plant and the height you're looking for. Once you have the size set, you can go into the apps and choose the interlocking tool. Set the thickness of the notch to the exact thickness of the wood you are using and hit import. Once you've imported the designs, cut and paste them into a new window to carve. Position them over the material you will be carving. Set and then adjust the tabs to locations that will be easy to chisel free when you're done carving out your design. Since I was setting 2 pieces of walnut onto my wasteboard, I made the material dimensions reflect that. Be sure to choose the proper material you're carving, in this case it is walnut, then you're ready to carve. I clamped the wood down to the wasteboard, being sure to set the clamps so that they did not interfere with the carving of the design. I then set up the machine to carve out the pieces. Once the carve was complete, I released the clamps and used a chisel and mallet to break them away from the waste pieces. You can see that my depth was a little off, so I used my chisel to quickly free up those areas. I sanded the pieces smooth, starting with 60 grit sandpaper to knock down the tabs, then finished them off with fine grit sandpaper and put the pieces together. This entire project takes less than an hour from start to finish and instantly adds a little more character to your basic potted plants. Like I mentioned, these can be made to fit any size pot, and the height can be adjusted to alternate them if you're putting several potted plants together. Special thanks to Inventables for partnering with me on this project. You can find all of the details and links for this project in the description below. For more projects like this one, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.